In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print a 5x7 photo on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. Let's load the 5x7 photo paper into the photo tray. We need to load the printing side facing downwards. Let's start up our HP app.
If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe.
Tap on the printer icon. Select Print Photos. We will print this photo. Now it has detected that the 5x7 photo paper is in the photo tray. Go to Next. Ensure that the paper size is 5x7 and the paper type is photo gloss paper and the source is photo tray. Let's print. And this is the photo that was printed 5x7. So this is how you print a 5x7 photo on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series.